Let's now go to hyperthyroidism. Let's discuss clinical manifestations. The symptoms: weight loss, increased appetite, irritability, behavioral change, restlessness, malaise, muscle weakness, tremor, breathlessness, palpitations, heat intolerance, itching, thirst, vomiting, diarrhea, eye complaints, goiter, gynecomastia, sweating. Signs are tremor, hyperkinesis, irritability, palmar erythema, tachycardia or atrial fibrillation, full pulse, warm vacillated peripheries, systolic hypertension, tibial myxoedema, exophthalmos, goiter, and weight loss. The symptoms and signs of Graves' disease are weight loss, increased appetite, nervousness, restlessness, heat intolerance, increased sweating, fatigue, frequent bowel movements, menstrual irregularities in women, goiter may be present. Additional symptoms that may be associated with the disease are weakness, sleeping difficulty, clammy skin, skin blushing or flushing, bounding pulse, nausea, vomiting, and amenorrhea. Itch, also itching all over the body, palpitations, hand tremor, hair loss, diarrhea, breast development in men, high blood pressure, protruding eyes, or exophthalmos. In the elderly, a frequent presentation is with atrial fibrillation, other tachycardias, and or heart failure, often with few other signs. Thyroid function tests are mandatory in any patient with fibrillation. Children frequently present with excessive weight or excessive growth weight or with behavioral problems such as hyperactivity, they may also show weight gain rather than loss. The clinical signs show an increased heart rate, and the systolic blood pressure may be elevated and usually associated with low diastolic blood pressure. Physical examination may reveal thyroid enlargement or goiter. Laboratory tests that evaluate thyroid function are serum TSH with usually decreased T3 and free T4 are usually elevated. The treatment for Graves' disease in modern medicine depends on the cause of the condition and the severity of symptoms. Hyperthyroidism is usually treated with antithyroid medications, radioactive iodine, which destroys the thyroid and thus stops the excess production of hormones, or surgery to remove the thyroid. If the thyroid must be removed with radiation or surgery, replacement thyroid hormones are prescribed. Hyperthyroidism caused by Graves' disease is usually progressive and has many associated complications, some of which are severe and affect quality of life. Red flag in Western medicine, anterior and anterolateral neck masses require accurate diagnosis. Thank you for your attention.